We ran out of time on the last video because the free software I'm using says I can't record more than 10 minutes at a time. So where we left off is we have our pegboard assembly because we updated our pegboard to put a triangle in, which then automatically updated our assembly with the original pegboard. Now we have a triangle hole. Now I'm going to let's make this the pegboard here. I'm going to turn off the visibility. Oops. Hey, look, that made it vanish. Let's turn on the visibility. Okay, I think actually if we go over into the pegboard here and on sketch 2 we turn off the visibility, it should turn it off in our assembly. There we go. Now the only thing we're missing is we are missing the triangle peg, and we need to mate that into our pegboard. So we're going to bring in our triangle peg by placing from our file. We are going to place our triangle. We only need one of them, so I right click and click OK. Now we have our triangle peg. Let's see what color we should make it. Let us make it, let's see, click on the triangle peg. Oh, I'd like to make it a nice green. Let's see. No, that's not the color I want to make. Come on. Oh, indoor pool. That would be fun. Let's go with polished green, though. That doesn't look green. Very interesting on they think a polished green is. Let's see if there's any other. Oh, let's make it turquoise. There, now we have a turquoise peg. Okay, so now we just need to mate our peg into our pegboard. And we can do that using the constrain tool. And so what we're going to do is we are going to mate two of the faces into the pegboard. So I'm going to take this face here. I'm going to spin our pegboard around and mate it to here. Okay, nice click means we're in there well. Okay, I'm going to click apply. Okay, so now I can move this around, but it's still going to be constrained to that face. So now I'm going to need to constrain it to another face so that it's locked in. I'm going to click constrain. I'm going to click on this face. I'm going to spin it around some more so that I can see what I'm doing, and I'm going to click there. All right. I'm going to click apply and OK. Now, if I zoom out here, click cancel. Now my triangle peg is aligned in the pegboard, and everything is ready to go and be turned in. Now, here's the deal when you go to turn it in. What you must do is you must turn in every single file. So you have 4 files that need to be turned in. Actually, 5 files. So when you go, first let's save this. Okay. Yes, and it's going to say, do you want to save changes to its dependents? So yes, to the toy, we're going to need to save dependents to the pegboard. So yes to all, and OK. So it saves it. Now, if I go look in my file here, where I've kept all my different parts, let's see where I put them. Okay, so I have a lot of IPT files, but you need to turn in the triangle, the round peg, the end, the pegboard, and the square peg. So all of the different parts we made, and you can turn those in by attaching them to the turn-in file in Google Classroom. Again, you have to have all of those files together. The Pegboard Toy, the end, pegboard, round peg, square peg, and triangle. Turn all of those in the Google Classroom, and then you will be able to move on to the mallet.